Ang lahat.
Pati naka-plastic. Tapos pag...
Hey! Earlier
Huwag ka nga yung line.
for some reasons, I bought
Ay,
something untimely. Actually, I was planning to buy it next week, but I ended up buying it earlier with a few friends of mine. Okay lang?
Yeah, sure.
Erica and and Alvin, MCR. Currently,
Hanapin ka nila, guys.
it's a surprise. I don't know. Here, Erica is helping me document everything because I need pictures, like what I did with Midnight Memories. Okay. All right, we're unwrapping it now. Too excited to wait for me to go home.
I'm the one who's unwrapping.
All right, here's the receipt. The receipt. I have to hide this.
Yan mo na siya.
I have to.
Taba niyo.
I have to. Where's my ID? I need to.
Grabe. Yan ka mo kayo si Rodnel.
I need to put this here. Preserve the receipt. The receipt is too important for me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, there it is. There it is. My the second album of One Direction. Yes, I just bought it
No,
now
dapat tinagbo din
because
si Rodnel.
I become a Directioner late, really late.
Oh, sira yung plastic. No, dapat
It's alright. The plastic is
No.
alright.
It is
Just
not.
worried that the CD is okay. Here's the receipt inside my special offer stuff.
Pilay.
And Erica is now documenting everything there with her Samsung S4 Zoom.
Buti.
This is unpaid advertisement. Oh gosh. Samsung S4 Zoom.
Sariwan pin. Advertisement.
And live while we're young, and we're gonna play it. Well, that's it for me for a while. I'm just gonna enjoy this CD for the rest of my life. My gosh, this is going with the collection. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. This is Stephen Pellier, signing out.